Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. I am Oluwa Kemi and this is question 9 of the WAEC 2017. And the question goes thus: solve the equation 1 over 5x plus 1 over x equals x. What we're really looking for is to solve for x. Okay, and where a lot of students will find difficulty or confusion is where we have a variable as part of the denominator. In fact, it is in both fraction. So it is simple. What you need to understand is it is just like looking for the regular LCM. You take the numeric value, you look for the LCM of the numeric value, which in this case is like 5 and 1. So if you multiply them together, you have 5. And you just write out the variable, which is x. Okay, simple as that. Good. And this supports the fact that the denominators should be able to divide the LCM evenly. Okay, and we're going to see that now. So if 5x goes into 5x, we have 1 times the numerator 1, we have 1. Okay, plus if x now goes into 5x, we have 5 times the numerator 1, we have 5. This equal to 3. Good. So now let's simplify further. 1 plus 5, that gives us 6. So we have 6 over 5x equals 3. So if we cross multiply, what we have on the left hand side, 5x times 3 equals 6 on the right hand side. And if we go ahead to divide both sides by 3, because all we're trying to solve for is x. So on the left hand side, 3 we cancel 3 out. On the right hand side, we have 3 goes in here 1, 3 goes in here 2. So if we go ahead to divide both sides by 5, we end up solving for x, and this is x equal to 2 over 5. So if we look at the answer option, we can see that the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.